Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're looking at something very, very special. Here it is, guys, the ARRMA Notorious 6S in blue. Just look at this thing. I think it's time to go out and have some fun. I wonder what's going to break on this thing first. Well, let's find out. Whoa! Yeah! Backflip! Front flip. Oh, yes! So I was just driving along and I discovered these sort of grass mounds all along this bank here, which is ideal for us to test. Backflip. Double backflip! Oh, yes! Very nice indeed. Let's try that again. Whoa, very nearly. Here it comes, Notorious. Ooh. Well, not so graceful, but still managed to land on all four wheels. I think this thing is durable, that's for sure. Oh, that was not good. Here we go. Incoming. Backflip. Oh yeah. Here it comes out. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, oh, ow, oh. This thing is an animal. So far, touch wood, it is very, very tough. I've had about 15-20 minutes or so with these batteries, so I'm going to switch them out and we're going to carry on jumping. Let's go! Oh, nice. Oh, there's a bit of warmth in these. There's nothing more satisfying than when you hear the pop of the battery terminals click together. Yes! Let's switch her on. Oh, nearly! And it's in the water. It's in the water! Oh! Come on, Notorious. Come to Jake. Ah, got ya. It's a good job these are waterproof. Full speed backflip. Go! Double backflip again! Woohoo! Ow! Full power. Full power. Stock. Oh! Oh! Ouch! Oh! Oh! He's coming in hot. Oh, just about made it, but oh, bottled it at the end. Full power, half, 3/4 full, go! Tree! Oh, nice! Incoming, guys. Notorious 6S. Ooh, that took a divot. That took a serious divot. Whoa. Ooh, that was a hard landing. I have a feeling there's going to be some damage after that one, surely. There has to be. We've lost four-wheel drive traction, folks. Just front-wheel drive. So as you can see, we've damaged the rear shock, and we've lost four-wheel drive. Let's have a look at that in detail now, and I'll show you what's actually happened after that fall there. So looking at the truck, the body is absolutely fine. There's no real damages to this at all. It's really taken a beating today with these jumps. And in the truck, the only things that broke on this thing after that last jump there are, well, actually the shock isn't broken. Just turns out the screw came out of the shock tower. I lost a drive shaft and broke the arm. So that rear arm is just, that's snapped, that's broken. So that needs to be replaced. Other than that, the truck's held out ever so well considering the amount of abuse it's taken today. That was my first run with the ARRMA Notorious on 6S in that nice new blue colour that ARRMA are now putting out. I really enjoyed running this truck. It's very durable. Okay, a few things broke, ironically, but you know what, that's because of my driving skills. I'm not the best at jumping, but you know what, it took a beating. I'll repair it and we'll be out for some more fun soon. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Jake Billing, as always. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next time. Bye!